I'm Juliana Roupas.
And I'm Manthi Dissanayake.
And we are second-year medical students and North Carolina Schweitzer Fellows from the Brody School of Medicine at East Carolina University.
Food insecurity affects roughly 20% of the population in Pitt County, and roughly 10% of the older adult population in our community live below the poverty line.
As North Carolina Schweitzer Fellows, we created the Food is Medicine initiative to address food insecurity amongst the older adult population in Pitt County. We led weekly cooking classes for food insecure older adults at the Pitt County Council on Aging, one of our community partners, to teach culturally relevant nutrition and budgeting skills utilizing low-cost grocery and food bank items.
Each class, we featured a variety of common affordable foods that can be transformed into healthy, delicious, and culturally appropriate meals. Our recipes ranged from sweet potato kale hash to spiced carrot muffins. We partnered with the Food Bank of Central and Eastern North Carolina to provide food bags for older adults to take home after each class.
Through our classes, we aim to create a safe space for participants to discover new foods and share their stories. Our intention was to help older adults develop assertiveness over their health through nutrition self-efficacy and an enhanced desire to eat healthy foods that are financially available.
It has been incredible meeting so many of our community members and bonding over our shared love for food and community. One of our proudest moments was learning that some of our recipes even made it onto some of our participants' Thanksgiving Day spreads.
Through our program, we were able to work with 57 older adults in our community. One way we measured growth was by administering pre- and post-nutrition surveys. We learned that 3 out of 4 cohorts decreased their average number of incorrect responses. All participants also expressed that they benefited from the program and were able to learn new cooking, budgeting, and nutrition skills.
We look forward to continuing to combat food insecurity through facilitating the growth of the Food is Medicine series.
We are excited to grow our relationships with the older adults living in Pitt County.